Backstreet Surveillance provides professionally designed video security systems for homes, businesses, schools, and government agencies. Our systems are designed for do-it-yourself installation. Simple plug and play. But we understand that's not for everyone. For you, it may be more convenient to hire a pro who can offer that convenient, fast, and professional installation. What makes Backstreet unique is that our experienced support staff has managed the installation of thousands of home and business systems. There's no doubt installing our do-it-yourself kits provides the maximum savings, but using our national installation program can still save you up to 50% compared to using a local security dealer. The result is professionally designed and installed systems at the lowest possible price. Once the equipment is installed, our technical support department takes it from there, providing all programming, software setup, and customer support. We ensure you are satisfied with the system and comfortable operating it. And we're with you long after the installer is gone, because our systems include unlimited lifetime technical support. If you have a question or just need help, we're just a toll-free phone call away. The final result is an effective, high-performance security solution at the right price.